Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use TradingView as a beginner. Open TradingView, sign up with email, and verify your account, then set your time zone and default chart layout. Add a few tickers to a watch list and save it. Learn basic navigation like zoom, pan, and symbol search. This foundation makes learning indicators and drawing tools faster and less confusing for new traders. Start by picking a time frame that suits your approach and remain consistent while testing strategies. Select candlesticks for price clarity and add immediate support and resistance lines. Use the crosshair to read exact prices and timestamps, then practice zooming and scrolling to view trends. Save your chart layout as a template so you can reproduce your setup quickly. This keeps your workflow focused and repeatable for real analysis. Add one or two indicators initially, such as RSI and a short EMA, and observe how they interact with price. Apply trend lines and horizontal support levels to visualize structure, and use volume to validate moves. Try out the replay tool to practice recognizing patterns in historical data without risking capital. Keep notes on setups that work, and gradually add complexity once you can consistently read basic signals and
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.